Bruxism is a nighttime grind that often wakes families with headaches and sore jaws, more common than people realize. Historically, calming herbs such as lemon balm and passion flower have been used to ease nervous tension that can trigger grinding and clenching. The guide suggests an easy evening routine: a small cup of lemon balm tea, occasional safe herbal blends, and simple jaw stretches before bed to relax facial muscles. Always consult a pediatrician or doctor for children and teens, and choose remedies suitable for age and health status. The payoff is quieter nights, reduced muscle strain, and a calmer nervous system grounded in both tradition and modern care.